How to change your username on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your username on Snapchat easy and fast. So first thing you have to do, go to Snapchat app. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on your profile, and here it will take you to this page. Now go to the top corner and click on this little wheel. Now choose the second option, it's username, and here you go. Now right here you can change your username easily, as you can see. Click on change your username and click continue. Now change your username as you want, and after you finish, click save right here. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.